Hi guys, so I'm back and I'm about to soap up China Rain. Funny thing is, I was going bonkers for about 10 minutes looking for the submerger of my stick blender, and I knew I had it in my hand, and I'm just going bonkers. I'm like, what is this? Like, I just saw it, and where did it go? There's nobody in the house but me. And after looking and looking and looking all throughout this counter, I realized it's right here standing up. So that is that is the kind of day I'm having. Anyway, I already have my oils, and I have my lye water here, and it's again a 25% lye concentration. And then I have my colors. I think I'm gonna do like a maybe like a funnel swirl with a line in the middle or a line on top, and then I'm gonna like mound it. We'll see. But I have pink, I have blue, I have TD, titanium dioxide, which I want to put in the entire batter before I even mix this in. And then I'm gonna make the little line with the activated charcoal. And I have this little guy here just in case I have more batter than what I need. So anyway, let's get started. And I'm just going to add my lye water. And I don't have gloves on today. Don't do as I do. Okay, so lower your volume because I am going to use a stick blender. And again, I don't want this very thick because I've never used the fragrance oil from this supplier before. And also I want to add in my my TD so I can blend it in there, because I don't want those little specks that sometimes titanium dioxide can give. So I want to have enough time to play. Okay, I'm gonna add my fragrance oil now. And let's hope that this one behaves just like the white tea and ginger. So I'm hoping that it does. I see a little bit of rising. And if that's the case, it's not going to be a good thing for a funnel. It is kind of moving a little fast, that fragrance oil. So let's just go ahead and pour. I don't think I'm going to be able to do what I want to do because it is getting thick very fast. So, but that's the way these things go sometimes. Okay. Trying to move quickly. Definitely some acceleration here. definitely acceleration. But, okay, let's see what we can do here. Let me just pour some of this. Let's try. See if we're lucky and get some kind of a funnel look. And let's see, we'll try and a little bit more of the white to top it off. Okay, now we have this white left here for mounding, and let's tap that down for all those air pockets to come up. And hopefully we have some kind of a funnel look when we cut into it. Okay, that other white tea and ginger, that one would be perfect for the funnel pour. Okay, so we have that, and I'm not gonna bother with fixing the top of it, because what I'm gonna do is I have here a little bit of activated charcoal, and I'm just gonna tap it on any old cosmetic brush will do that you're not gonna use anymore, and I'm just going to very lightly pour it, because I want a very thin line. Very lightly, just put it on the soap. And you want to make sure that you have a really nice little layer, so that you get a really nice line, you know, that you'll be able to see. If I had a better, fluffier brush, it would be even better. It's a nice, really nice day. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven, and I'm gonna go outside and pick up some sticks and stuff, you know, from around the yard. I cannot wait to get busy planting outside. I just cannot wait. This is better because the other way, what I'm just doing is I'm just gonna going ahead and straight dipping it right into the thing, because that other way was taking me a little too long. See right there, I have too much. See right there, I have way too much in there. That's not what I wanted, but it's okay. It shall be okay. Alrighty, so you see how I have like a whole layer in there? That is what I wanted. So I want to be able to see the line, but I don't want it to be really, really thick. But I definitely do want to be able to see it. And you can do this like even with cocoa, you know, cocoa powder, or any other mica oxide, you know, colorant that you might use, ultramarines or whatever have you. So this here, I'll show you. This here, which is my little container, it's starting to get thick, but I want it a little bit thicker than that. So I'm gonna let it sit and get thicker, and then I will go ahead and mound it on top. But you know what? Actually, I think I'm going to do something different. Hold on. Let me see if I could clean this up a little bit. Yeah, this activated charcoal is a little bit messy, but that's okay. Trying to get it a little bit clean. Oops, I went a little too deep in there. So let's do this again. And here too. All right. Try to clean up. Very messy. Look at, see it on my hands? Very messy. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I want to see if I can take advantage that this is still a little bit loose, and I'm just gonna gently pour a layer. Right on top. And I don't want it to go in, so I'm just, see how close to the batter itself I'm bringing the spatula. I don't want to interrupt that black layer, so do it really close. Oh, this smells so good. It's very it's like an ozone type of scent, but with a little bit of a, I would say like a musky floral. And that layer should be fine. And I'm just gonna gently try to spread it out to the edge. I'm not gonna worry too much about the middle because that's where I'm gonna mound it up. But just a little bit on the edges here. I'm gonna try to tap it, see if I can even it out. This mold, you know, I can't complain because I got it at the thrift store, but it's not very, see, it's not very sturdy. So anyway, I'll leave it like that, and I'm gonna wait for the batter to harden up a little bit more, and I will come back and show you how I mound it. Okay guys, so I am back. I'm so sorry that this video looks kind of dark. I don't know what it is, but anyway. So I kind of cleaned it up a little bit, and I put some like a ruler here and a ruler here to try to keep this from bowing out. And anyway, I have my batter here, and I have it at the consistency that I wanted. You see that? So I'm gonna start mounding this. I just want to mound right in the center. So let me just clean this out, and let's start mounding. And you know, this could have even been maybe pink. It would have looked really cute, like if you would have had the, you know, the little mounds in pink or blue or whatever colors inside your loaf, you know, that you did the swirl with. But I just want it all white. And the batter could have been thicker. The longer it sits, the thicker it gets. So, and the peaks will come out a lot better when the batter is thicker. But it's okay for me. I just don't want to keep postponing it because my battery is starting to die, and I want you guys to see that, you know, get the gist of how, you know, you can make those little mounds on top. Okay, I think that is it. So you got an idea more or less of the funnel. How do you do the funnel swirl or the funnel pour? You got the idea of how to make that, you know, the cocoa line or whatever line, because you could do it with any kind of colorant that's body safe. It doesn't have to be, you know, cocoa or activated charcoal. It could be any color. So that's that. And now I'm gonna put this in the oven for about an hour and 45 minutes, and then I will leave it in there to rest until tomorrow morning after I shut it off. I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter because this one's gonna be for me. Well, not a little bit, I want a lot. You don't have to. And another thing is, people ask about glitter and does it stick to the body? No, it doesn't. It's only on the top that you're putting the glitter, only for the look of it. It's purely cosmetic. It doesn't interfere with the soap. As soon as you got the bar and you wet the bar under the water, all the glitter comes off. So it's not like the glitter's gonna stick to your body and you're gonna have, you know, you're gonna look like a glitter ball when you get out of the shower. It's not gonna happen that way. So anyway, let me see, somebody had asked the question. Oh, my stove is gas. It is gas, and I still put it at 170. I don't think electric or gas or whichever have you know, it's gonna interfere with the soap. It's, as long as it's 170 degrees, it shouldn't make any difference. I don't know, but I'm assuming there shouldn't be a difference as long as the temperature is the same. It's 170. All right, so yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we will be back tomorrow to cut it and see what it looks like inside. All right guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Talk to you in the next video. Bye.